Some things in life are bad, they can really make you mad. Other things just make you swear and curse. When you're chewing on life's gristle, don't grumble, give a whistle. And this'll help things turn out for the best. And always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the light side of life. If life seems jolly rotten, there's something you've forgotten, and that's the life.
Stráðar, meinum ekki gefa allt.
Hvað stóð allt í fleira á listan?
Var ekki takk?
Er það eitthvað ljós?
Jú, svona smá við bíl. Förum í ljós.
Pussy, the stud, and I pop. Yeah, the bubble squeezing my pistol, I'm sure that I got it. I beat a pipe and big peppers and run